this is carburetor. Have you ever noticed your metering needle and main jet wear out more faster than they should in your carburetor Zenith Stromberg 175 CD? This issue is becoming more common in our days, and today we'll break down exactly why it happens. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. What causes this rapid wear and how you can fix it, and more than this, more important, to prevent this wear, to keep your classic car carburetor running smoothly. Thing is that since 70s, Zenith Stromberg decided to incorporate spring into this metering needle. Why this was done? Yes, they suppose that this will be better for consistency of fuel mixture, but eventually it goes to wear. You see a little bit oval. This is main jet. Why this main jet wears out so fast in carburetors in Zenith Stromberg? Because these, you see, it rub each another when this system works. You know, in 70s, they decided to do this thing. And for what this lead? Probably this is just a plant obsolescence. Yes, yes, my friend, you will need to replace more often these parts. You know, these parts will be worn. And additional fuel. We use unleaded fuel. And you know, even 90s, I I found these old magazines, and what they said, they suffer without lead, because lead, this is substance just for lubricating your valve seats, parts of your carburetor. And let's try to find this article in this old magazine, you know, where this article was. This is just to prove that I'm not making out this problem. Hey, look, here is carburetor, SU carburetor, but you know, we're talking about Zenith Stromberg carburetor, but problems, these issues more common for these carburetors. These brass components made out of brass, and they wear out so fast. Why? Probably can dirt penetrates inside carburetor. Probably you want to check your fuel filter. Not only fuel filter, you want to check your air filter. It probably should be. You should check the existence of this filter. You know, guys prefer to driving around without filters. They know they suppose that their engines will be more powerful, but this is really harmful for longevity of engine. Yes, you will say that these carburetors, this really great construction, they not afraid of any dust. Probably, but these components made out of brass, and they afraid of dust, because dust can be on this needle, can be inside, and this dust acts like, you know, sandpaper, and will wear more fast. Yes, again, the gasoline, now modern gasoline with these additives, with ethanol, you know, gasoline. Ethanol in a modern fuel can cause corrosion of brass, you know, it will be wear more fast. But you know, this is little problems, main problem that this needle touches this main jet, and this is just plant obsolescence. And later in 70s they decided that they should install this main jet only with special tools, only with their carburetor stations. You can't adjust your main jet like it was done in the 60s. So they installed this needle with spring, which they rub each another. And more than this, now since 70s, you should use this special equipment to install this main jet. And this is really difficult. Easiest way to install adjustable main jet, yes, it will be worn with this measuring needle. If we say about Volvo B18 was with this measuring needle without springs and with adjustable main jet. Yes, main jet determines how much fuel goes into the mixture. 1 pound of gasoline, 15 pounds of air. Yes, which signals can be of this warm main jet? Which signals can you notice? Yes, this will be horrible. Gas mileage, fuel consumption will be higher than it should. Black smoke from tailpipe probably. With centralized needle in previous carburetors, this not rub against the main jet, but you need to centralize your needle which attached to the piston. You want to centralize your main jet, and this is just special tool, a custom-made tool for centralizing main jet. I'm installed main jet from 60s. They available. You can find adjustable main jet, and this is more convenient rather than to buy this special equipment. This will be insane to buy special equipment to adjust this non-adjustable main jet. And if you use ethanol-blended fuel with ethanol, why? Old cars lovers, they really avoid this ethanol in fuel. The situation will become more worse with this fuel. We really suffer because of fuel without lead, but you can replace this somehow with these small plastic bottles. I want to show you they on this old magazine I found, but you can on the gas station you can buy things like that for your classic car, but will be better, and this really more wise, I think, to install the adjustable main jet. You can adjust fuel mixture, and yes, let's agree that with spring it wrap. With this spring, they will rub each another. This is not good. This is just planned obsolescence. You want to go and replace these things. I prefer carburetor from 60s. And I'm really interesting. Are you ever had issues with your classic car carburetor? You can write comments. And I'm really interested what will be in comment box. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.